Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to connect relink transmitter and receiver wireless Rode mic me. It's very simple. So let's start as a demonstration. How to relink or how to connect those wireless Rode mic me to each other. One is a receiver and one is a transmitter. So how to connect this one? Look at this here. Some of the green lights is on. Two green lights is continuously on. It means this one is a battery, and one green light is blinking. It means this is not connected each other. So how to connect this one? It's very simple. First of all, you need to turn it both devices. First of all, connect any of the phone and you need to download this Rode mic application. This is my application. Currently this one is connected, but other one is not connected. So I just simply tab here peer. So most of time if you tab here peer, so this is not connected easily. So another process is going on. If you tab here pair and you just simply tab once, and look at this, boom, it's very easy. You need to install, and after that you disconnect, and second time you can turn it off. Now is turn it off, and second time if I turn on, both devices is automatically connect. But first time you need to pair each other using the application. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.